Today, someone brought us this PlayStation 5 controller for repair. Watch how it moves by itself. That's what we call drift. All right, let's take it apart. This is the part that was causing the problem. We're going to replace it with a Hall effect joystick module, which offers greater precision, durability, and resistance to drift. Problem solved? It no longer moves on its own. Now let's calibrate it. Now you know, we don't just repair consoles. We can make your controller feel like new.